Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You should already be signed into the account that owns the file. Open Google Drive and locate the file or folder you want to share. Right-click the item or click the three-dot menu and choose Share to open the sharing panel. Once the panel appears, pause and review current access. Make sure editors and owners are correct before changing link settings. This first step prevents accidental public edits and ensures you start from a known permission state rather than guessing who already has access. In the Share dialog, click the link visibility control labeled something like Restricted or Anyone with the link, then choose Change. Select Anyone with the link to make the file accessible to everyone who has that URL, and pick Viewer, Commenter, or Editor based on how much control you want to grant. Once chosen, click Copy Link to put it on your clipboard. If you replace an older shared link, make sure recipients receive the new URL so everyone can still access the file without confusion. After copying the link, paste it where recipients will access it, email, chat, or a website. Now verify the change by opening the link in an incognito or private browser window. This simulates a user without your account. If the file is not accessible, check whether it sits inside a restricted folder or if your organization enforces sharing limits. Those settings can override link visibility. Finally, if editing is required but blocked, reopen Share Settings and upgrade permission to Editor or move the file out of a restricted folder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.